Hello children, welcome back to your English class. Now children, what we are going to learn today? So, already so many things we have learned in our bridge course, right? So, what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn about, let's see, antonyms. What children? Antonyms. What is this antonyms? Antonyms are nothing but, have you heard this word? You know what is opposite words, children? You people know what is opposite words, definitely. So antonyms are nothing but opposite words. So antonyms are a word. Antonym. Okay, antonym is a word opposite. Okay, children, it is opposite. Antonym is opposite in meaning to other. In meaning to other. So children, I think now you understood what is antonym or antonyms. Many antonyms. Antonym, then antonyms. Meaning to another. Now the reason why I am using this book and writing instead of board, because you can write in the cursive. Okay, cursive handwriting, how I'll write, you can follow and write in the cursive handwriting itself. Okay children, a word opposite in meaning to another is nothing but antonym. Okay, now we are going to learn many antonyms. Okay, so in your English class, today's English class, what you are going to learn, that is opposite words. Or opposite words are mainly, children, this word you have to remember, antonyms. Okay, let us start with the first word, wet. Children, wet. And this is the sign we use between the antonyms, right? Antonym, wet, and it is dry. Antonym of wet is dry. So second one, forget. You forget not to do your homework. So, should not forget doing homework. Opposite of forget, what you have to do? Without forgetting, you have to remember. Remember. Children, forget, remember. Okay, third one, lose. Children, now in the lockdown, you have become what? You have gained weight. Motu you have become now golu. So what happens? All your loose dress has become tight. 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 Okay? Next one. Foolish. People are foolish. You don't have any knowledge. No, you people are wise. You people are wise. Foolish opposite is wise, knowledgeable, intelligent. Foolish is opposite of wise. Foolish, wise. Okay, now fifth one, sink. Children, you have seen the boat. What it will do? It will be in the water. No, sorry. S-I-N-K. Okay, it is S-I-N-K. Sink. Sink. What water boat does? It will float on the water. It will float on the water. Sink in the sense going into the water, drowning, when going into the water. Sink, float. So if suppose a boat has a hole, okay, then definitely it is going to sink. Sink, float. Slow. Slow. So which is this? This is sixth one. Slow, fast. Slow, fast. Next, seventh one. Heavy. Okay? Heavy. Heavy. Sometimes you go to, when you were going to school, you remember, sometimes if you are taking many books, your bag become very heavy. If there are less books, then it will be light. What? Your bag? Heavy, light. Okay, now next we are going for eighth one. Careless. Careless. Children, you are careless. You'll keep your books, your things properly, right? You're not careless. Actually, you're careful. You maintain everything carefully. That is careful. Right? Careless, careful. Now, ninth word. Deep. Children, deep. The river is very deep. Shallow. Shallow in the sense, it is not deep. Shallow fry will do, no? With less oil. Your mama will cook, no? Shallow. Shallow. Deep. Deep. Shallow. Okay. Next, we go for the, which word, children? Correct. 10th. 10th word. 10th antonym. Okay. Empty. Empty. If your stomach is empty, your brain doesn't work. It should be full. Yes, if you are hungry, your stomach becomes empty, then you'll be hungry, right? Empty, then you'll fill your stomach with food, right? Full. Empty, full. 11th one. Okay, children? Enemy. Enemy. Okay? Enemy. Now, opposite of that, friend. The friend you like. The person you don't like, who want to take revenge. He is enemy. Enemy, friend. 12th one, you see, children. Few. Few. So, many. Few, very less. Some, only few. Only few. Many. Okay. Next is 13th. Laugh. Okay. Laugh. Laugh. You laugh, right? Okay. If something happens good, you laugh. Something happened wrong with you, then what will do? You feel bad, what will do? Cry. Laugh, cry. Then 14th. Busy. What, children? Busy. Busy. Are you busy or lazy? You'll be always busy doing your work, no, children? Always busy watching TV? No. Busy doing your homework, studying. Busy. Lazy, opposite word. Busy, lazy. You are lazy or busy? You are busy doing your studies. You are into studies, correct? Next, 15th. Tough. Tough. If you study for your test, then if you don't study for your test, then what happens? The question paper will be very tough. Oh God, so tough it is, you feel, right? But if you have studied properly, prepared for the test, then it will be easy. Tough, easy. Okay, children, next you see. Win. Win. Sometimes you win the game, sometimes you lose. I won, you say, right? Sometimes I lost, you say. Win, lose. Win, lose. Next, 17th one. Lock. See, children, this is lockdown, no? Everything will be locked. If the corona cases are less, then what they'll do, government? Unlock. Lock, unlock. Right, children? 18th one. Only UN you are adding. Lock, unlock. Here, like. You like some things? Like ice cream, chocolates. But you dislike vegetables. I know you people don't eat vegetables. Few like, few doesn't. Like, dislike. Okay. Now, 19th. Children, increase. Increase. C-R-E-A-S-E. Increase and decrease. Okay. D and same crease we will write. Decrease. Okay, children. Next, 20th. Large. What, children? Large. So here it becomes small. Because we say large, very large. Right? Large and small. So these are the Antonyms. How many in total? We learned, children, 20. Okay, a word opposite in meaning is nothing but antonym. So many antonyms we have learned. A word opposite in meaning to other. Okay, now if I am giving opposite words, same thing you have to do. If I am giving antonyms also, you have to do the same. Okay, like wet, dry, forget, remember, loose, tight. Okay, children, loose, tight, foolish, wise, sink, float, slow, fast, heavy, light, careless, careful, deep, shallow. Now next, empty, full, enemy, friend, few, many, laugh, cry, busy, lazy, tough, easy, win, lose, lock, unlock, like, dislike, increase, decrease, large, small. So children, these were the 20 antonym we have learned. Now what you have to do? You have to practice this antonym. Okay, practice these antonyms at home in the same way how I have written in the cursive handwriting, in the same way you write, and just learn this thing. So understood? This was for the today's class, that is opposite word, or what we say as antonyms. Okay children, so this was for the today's class. Next class we'll meet once again. Until then, take care. Bye bye.